Good morning everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, wala tayong pasok, so we're going to my friend's house. I got another friends, guys. So we're gonna say hello to everyone. Good morning.
Hi.
Say hello.
I'm Putri.
Yes.
You already know me.
Yes, and there's Dika. So
Hello.
we are all Asians, but I'm the only Filipino. So what's good morning in your?
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. So
Yeah.
good morning, maing buntag. That's in our dialect. So
Kumusta?
kamusta? Oh, this is Filipino.
Boleh sih selamat
So,
pagi. Selamat pagi.
yeah, salamat means thank you too.
Selamat like greeting.
Oh, our salamat is thank you.
Our selamat is like good, happy. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Yeah.
So I'm learning a new dialect today. So
Can you smile, guys?
No, you can't. So we're having lunch. So
Yeah, we're gonna show the lunch later because
yes, we're not
all
finished yet.
Okay.
So how good is that? We just come here and having a nice lunch. So where's
The host.
yes, she's busy cooking. So I'm just busy vlogging now. So this is for our lunch today, guys. Hello, beautiful. Thank you for inviting me, guys. That's for our lunch today. So as usual, shrimp, hipon, cucumber, and wow, chili paste, and fish tayo.
Balinese
spring rolls.
and then
Spring rolls. Let's gonna eat. Hello, they've been busy, so just thank you. You gonna say something?
something.
Yeah, something good. Hello, thank you, Dika. Thank you for our lunch, guys. So we're having dessert. Hello.
Jen, you
Yes.
want to take some fish or
Oh, really?
vegetable?
No.
Back home.
Bring home. Oh,
Bring home. Bring home.
We're gonna have a bring home. So hello, we're washing dishes. Lima. Sabon.
Sabun.
Sabon.
Sabon.
Yeah.
Yes, that's team washing team.
Yes. After eating, washing time. Guys, later I'm gonna talk to Kim Kardashian later. Kim Kardashian in Australia. So seriously,
They will say, did you put cushion in your mouth?
Ako. Ikaw.
Aku mahal ikaw.
Ako mahal ikaw.
Yeah, we learn how to speak
Yes,
Philippine.
and yes.
Aku mahal ikaw.
Hello.
Aku lupa namanya dia siapa sih?
Dika,
Jen.
thank you.
Jenara.
Lupa.
Jenara. Jen.
Jen for short.
Yeah. Jen.
Yes. Teach us your language.
What? Say eating. Makan.
Makan, eating.
Kaina.
Makan.
Kaina. Kaina.
Donut. Donut, guys.
Yes.
It's so yummy though.
It's yummy than your,
But I didn't make it.
Kaina na.
Kaon.
Kaon na tam.
Kaon. Kaina na.
Kain.
Kaina na.
What's man good morning?
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Kumusta?
Kumusta? How are you?
Mabuti.
Mabuti?
What is mabuti?
Mabuti. It means good.
Mabuti.
Miss, how are you? He's like, mabuti. Kumusta?
Kumusta? Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Sounds like a Japanese. Mabusta.
So funny.
That's only me.
Because you're funny. We're eating donut, guys, now. So after the big lunch, dessert. Kim Kardashian ng Australia. Hello. Thank you.
Yeah.
We're just laughing. See, we can talk, I will listen, okay? You can talk.
Yeah, we just talk.
We love talking. So,
Together.
So thank you. We're going now for the next.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is salamat? What's salamat?
Selamat.
Thank you.
Yes.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah.
Or you can say makasih.
Makasih.
What is thank you again?
Selamat.
Selamat.
Selamat. Selamat pagi.
Selamat.
Selamat.
Until next time.
Selamat siang.
Thank you. Thank you, Dika.
Thank you
Ya,
for
Mbak
coming.
Dika.
Yes, anytime. So
See you
we're
next
going-
time again.
Yes, thank you. Hala.
Biar lanjut situ.
I didn't help. I'm just busy with you. I wonder why. I'm just going to relax, guys.
Aku kan happy jadinya.
Beli benangnya 8 lagi udah selesai.
Oke deh, nanti kabarin aja aku berapa ya
It's
gini ya.
very yummy. Thank you. Just talking to myself.
After sleeping
Good
now.
baby.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
We're going home. We're going home.
No, we're going to
We're going shopping.
shopping.
Stop
Window
plan.
shopping.
Thank you
Shopping
banget.
galore. We're going. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, Tagbalay. Here's Kim Kardashian behind me. Hello. Kim Kardashian ng Australia. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Dika. Bye-bye. We're going home na, guys. Busog na ako. So,
Back home.
yes. And look, the other beautiful lady there. We're going for shopping. No. Shopping galore. Sinong malaking puwet?
Ikaw, buang.
Buang. Buang, ikaw buang.
Ikaw guang, pero
Buang.
aku mahal.
5.
Ikaw,
Oh, 5.
Ketawa.
Ketawa.
Kumusta?
Kumusti,
Mabuti.
mabuti. Oh,
Salamat.
Banyak kali.
Indonesian talk, speaking Filipino language. So there you go, guys. Mga buang kami.
Ikaw, malaki poet.
Ano poet?
Ikaw, malaki poet.
Poem to the poet.
Oh my God.
We're crazy, guys.
Yes, we are.
Accept me, guys.
Tatlong babaeng magaganda.
Malaki poet.
Oh my God! There's I know. It's very, very comfy. Maybe I can sleep well tonight if I can have.
Lie down in there.
It's like my husband. It's comfy, so.
Iya di sana aku juga beli satu.
Voila, I'm following you. Big poet shopping. Malaki. Malaki na poet. Huh? Ready for the Christmas party. Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Ini bagus kan?
Saan? Guys, I'm just waiting here because I'm not buying anything. So look at them, they're been busy. They're gonna buy a Christmas shirt or Christmas decor. So guys, busy sila namili. So kita take pamalit. So let's go. Girls, let's go shopping. Yes. Shopping. More? Poet. That's poet. Kim Kardashian. Malaki na poet ni Kim Kardashian. Nang Kim ng Australia. Hello, Kim. Kim. After sa lunch, guys, today, limpyo ta. Ang pagsi, help. Cleaning So, after the lunch, maglinis ako ng garden sa front yard. We need to clean up, guys. After cleaning tayo. It's a beautiful day, sunny, so that's my honey, my love, so sweet. Linis tayo, okay? So, hello guys, just finished cleaning, so dumi-dumi ng kamay. So, relax lang tayo ng konti. Kasi tapos na tayo nag-cleaning. Hello guys, papain na, yes, I love you more. So it's time to relax guys, because it's very tight, napagod din, so relax lang tayo at inom tayo ng malamig na inumin, kasi sobrang uhaw, kasi maganda yung weather guys. Come on Foxy, come on, sticky beak, and looks with him, Foxy! My wonder Foxy! Relax na tayo! Say hello! I wonder why. Oops! You think that he's jumping over si banana guys? So tingnan natin anong. So that's the trees. Green na siya kasi nag-reverse si banana. And that's our view for today. It's a beautiful place. Indeed. What is he doing? What you doing, mate? And that's Foxy. Beautiful view. Beautiful trees. Nabuhay na siya, guys. So, that's the yard. That's the neighbor there. Neighbor. Hello, neighbor. Bishi, may chabilaw. Hello. Hello, handsome. Hello. Guys, si banana guys, naika istorya sa gawas.